Marketing Profile: Smart Sweets by Penelope Morrow. Product: Smart Sweets is a culinary product. This product is candy. However, it is a healthier candy, switching out many of the unhealthy additives in normal candy for things like coconut oil. Smart Sweets are lower in calories and sugar content, so this will definitely make them more popular among the health-conscious crowd. Price: Smart Sweets tend to be higher in price than your average candy, with Smart Sweets Sweet Fish being $3.99 per 50-gram bag, compared to Maynard's Swedish Fish, which are $1.97 per 185-gram bag. However, Smart Sweets tend to be made with much higher quality ingredients, which can, in some cases, justify the price among, of course, the more health-conscious crowd who really do worry about these additives in their candy. Place: Smart Sweets are made in Canada and are sold all across North America. They are an indirect channel as they ship many of their products. Promotion: Smart Sweets advertise their products by showing how healthier they are compared to other candy manufacturers, and again, this is appealing to their most common crowd. Smart Sweets also promote their products by showing themselves as a smaller company, which more people are inclined to support. Competition: As of 2019, Smart Sweets is worth $40 million, and the Canadian candy market is worth $2.5 billion, so that means that Smart Sweets dominates 2.8% of the candy market in Canada. As such, it is in competition with many of the other candy companies in Canada which dominate much more of the market, like Mars and Nestle. Consumer: The most common consumer of Smart Sweets are those who are health conscious. This most commonly happens to be those who are 25 to 34. Thank you for watching. These are my sources, and these are my photo sources.